Hari Om. Now from this sutra, Patanjali gives the explanation of Ashtanga Yoga in particular. We can call it as a Kriya Yoga. He has started a second chapter from Kriya Yoga. That is action plan. So this is the action plan now for the solution of all these problems which he has already discussed. In sutra number 28, he explains Yoganga Anushtanat Ashuddhi Kshaye Jnana Deeptihi Aviveka Khyate. So Viveka Khyati, the same word is here. And he is using Aviveka Khyati. Because this is a solution for Viveka Khyati. But A means development from the beginning, very slow development. And development up to the end, not partial. So this is indicated with the word A. So he says that Viveka Khyati can be developed, can awake, can arise from the very beginning, and definitely it will arise up to the end, that is fullest part. So this is Aviveka Khyati. So this Aviveka Khyati can be developed, but what is the remedy or how it can be developed? He says Yoganga Anushtanat. Yoganga, yoga, of course name of the science. Anga means the organ. Literally meaning of anga is organ. So he wants to mention that Yoganga, that means organs of yoga. And these organs means Ashtanga Yoga. In the next sutra he is giving all these 8 angas of yoga. Normally we say it is 8-step yoga, 8-fold yoga or 8-component yoga. But these words are not exactly suitable as per Patanjali's explanations. He wants to use the anga, that is components. So he is explaining 8 angas of yoga in the next sutra. We will discuss this anga word also when we study the next sutra. So all these yogangas, he says Anushtan. Anushtan also a very specific word. Anushtan in a sense, one has to decide that I have to carry out this much work. It is of course study and practice and all that. Maybe practicing asana pranayam also, maybe practicing some mantras also, or maybe doing some worship also. Whatever is that, something which we have to plan for our personal development. This we have to decide what we have to do it. We have to decide the timing, the time also for the day. So everything to be perfectly planned up to the end. And this is to be carried out as per plan, 100%. Even if some difficulties are there, we have to overcome the difficulties. In any case, we have to do that. It should be practiced very rigidly, very firmly, and very continuously for the period which we have decided. So this practice is called Anushtan. And now Patanjali says Yoganga Anushtana. That means all these yogas, angas must be practiced as a Anushtan, not casually. Whenever you get time, you can practice. If you don't get time, don't practice. No, it is not like that. Anushtan is a very rigid practice, very firm practice, and perfectly designed also. And it is to be followed also. So like that, if the yogangas are practiced as Anushtan, then he gives the results. First he gives the Ashuddhi Kshaya. Because of Anushtan of yogangas, Ashuddhi Kshaya is the first result. Ashuddhi is impurity. And Kshaya means slowly diminishing. He says all the impurities will be slowly diminished. And impurity in a sense which is not only bad, but because of proportion. For example, we can say sugar in the blood is essential. But if it is more, then we can say it is impurity. Because it is more than necessary. So it is diabetes and we have to take care of it. We have to give the treatment. Because it is impurity. The sugar is not impure, but excess quantity is impure. So like that we have to use the word impurity in a wide sense. So all impurities. Now he has not discussed the details, but it may be in the body, it may be in the mind, it may be in the intellect, whatever components are there. Everywhere the impurity is there, and that can be removed, or that will diminish slowly with the anushthan of yoganga. So this is first result. Then secondly he says jnana diptihi. Jnana means real knowledge, and dipti is awakening from the beginning to the end, to the fullest extent. So the real knowledge will awaken fully. This is a second result. And thirdly he gives the viveka khyati, which he has already explained. We have studied in the previous sutra, viveka khyati, the discriminative knowledge, which is overcoming the avidya. So this can take place. So yoganga anushthan is the solution, is the master plan as explained by Patanjali for all these problems. Of course, now the question remains, what are the yogangas now? So that is why in next sutra Patanjali is explaining all the yogangas. Hari Om.